We know that the AC inhibitors are associated with dry cough due to increased levels of bradykinin. But do you know which of the AC inhibitors is associated with the least cough? That is Perindopril. Captopril is associated with more cough or more severe cough incidence. So if there's no other option, only AC inhibitors are available rather than the ARBs, Perindopril can be your best bet. But if you want to avoid completely dry cough occurrence due to AC inhibitors, the ARBs can be your best option.